Tupige makofi viongozi wetu. Wow.
The Honorable Meli, MCA Kipchumba Murkomen, the Governor for Nandi County, His Excellency is good. Nafuata na gani? Oyomune.
Can you ensure that all those criminals who killed our son are apprehended na wawekwe ndani na waadhibiwe?
Hiyo issue ya insecurity ya Kerio Valley ni kitu ambayo president wetu alipochukua ushukani alisema atatatua.
Hao ambao wameua padri wetu walikuwa wanajaribu kuretaliate kwa sababu tayari umeweka operation kubwa, umeanza kuwaua wale majangili, wanajaribu kutafuta yule ambaye itaumiza community ili ati serikali isiendelee kufanya hiyo operation. Na sisi tunataka kukuambia kutoka hapa nyumbani Nandi, can you continue focusing and eliminate Kerio Valley of all those criminals so that we can be able to have peace not only in Nandi but across the country and more so Kerio Valley.
We will stop at nothing, and for the sake of the name and the blood of Father Alois Cheruyot Kibet, we will go forcefully to make sure that we get rid of everyone who is going to carry a gun and terrorize people in Kerio Valley region. So I have no doubt in my mind, the work we have started, we are not going to relent. We are not going to stop at anything. Even the work that we did from last week, it will continue. We will not stop because we must honor those who have lost their lives seeking for peace like Father Alois.